guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emani Aireana here, and today I will be doing an updated hair review on this Muokass unit that I got about a year ago, but I colored, I want to say like 4 months ago or so. I'm not sure, but I'll have like the actual dates there on the screen. But anyways, so this hair, when I first got it, if you watched my initial hair review, it was never like the thickest wig. As far as the thickness of the wig, I mean, it's relatively thin. I've had it for a year though, and I did not expect to have this wig for a year. Like, that is crazy. But yeah, so then I low-key like recommend it. It's very low maintenance. Like, when I tell you low maintenance, I'm telling you low maintenance. Like, I literally have no cap on right now. I have oh, let me show y'all. You see that? Yeah. Oh gosh, I did lay my little edge down though. You see how I just put that back down? Literally, like, and it's a closure wig. I think it's a 4x4, so you don't have to worry about doing a bunch of edges. All you gotta do is slick that little edge in the front. You can glue this down. Sometimes I do, but it's very rare. Like, if I'm going out to, like, you feel me, a party or whatever, I will glue it down. But day to day, even on a hot day, I know that I don't really have to glue this wig down because it's super low maintenance. Like, it's a throw-on wig. It's a glueless wig. You do not have to put on glue, but you can if you want to. What else? I'm trying to give like a full, I didn't write down any specs. I literally was on my, like, I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. And something just told me to go and check my notifications, and I noticed that I had comments on this video. So I was like, boom, let me update the sisters, because yeah, the wig is fairly thin, but like I said, I've had it for a year. It was already thin, and I would have thought it would have been like so thin that it was like unwearable. So there was a question asked, would I still recommend this wig? I would say yes. I would recommend this wig, especially for a beginner or a person who's like on the go, working, in school, but has places to be. Like, this is definitely one of those pick me up, throw me on type Johns. Like this, I don't even say John. I don't know where that came from. That was weird. But yeah, no, like, you feel me? This is a pick up and throw you on type wig, like, for sure. So I would recommend the hair. The hair was very soft, nice. You do have to pluck, you know, the front, but I mean, that's really with most wigs, you know what I mean? Like, you definitely have to do some stuff to the wig, but she's down for the cause. Now, right now I have crimps in, being that my wig is like thinner now. My favorite style is crimps. I don't know, it just looks so cute on the hair, and I love it. But I still can do curls. I just rather not. Like, the hair's not, it doesn't look as full when I do curls. My curls were bomb when I first got the wig, and even like up until probably, even when I colored the wig, it was still pretty. But like now, with it being like, I think a month over a year that I've had this hair, I don't know, I just don't really care for curls in it anymore. But you can curl this unit. It's really nice with curls. Crimps, obviously, she holds a good crimp. I did like soft crimps today though, and then like I like finger comb them out. So yeah, because, and I finger combed them because, like I said, the wig is thinner right now, so you know, I wanted a little bit of volume. But yes, the hair straightens really well. That's all I really have to say. This is really just a true quick pick me up. Yeah, so if you have not checked out my previous videos, I have 2 videos up. One of my initial hair review, actually not really too much of initial because I had the hair, like I was wearing the hair for a minute, but yeah, still low-key like an initial hair review. Check that out, because that'll give you like the specs on like when you'll first get the wig. And then check out my second video on this hair, and it is when I colored this hair, how I colored this hair, so you can see that this hair does color well. Yeah, you'll see why this is brighter than this side if you watch the video. So watch the video, check it out. It'll be linked down in my description. Wrapping it up, my final thoughts on this hair, because I just don't foresee myself doing anything else to this hair. I like it red, and when it thins out to no return, she's a gunner, and I may just buy her again. I'm not sure. But oh my gosh, sorry before I was interrupted. And if you see a bunch of dust, please don't mind it. I'm by my window, and by my window I guess it's dusty, I don't know, but this is where the good lighting is. But yeah, wrapping up my final thoughts. So I definitely would recommend the hair for a beginner, or just if you're on the go, or if you just want a nice little wig, you know, low maintenance. If you're looking for something low maintenance, this is the wig for you. So go check out my last two, or not my last two, but my other two videos on this unit. It'll be linked down below. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram at Emani Aireana, and be back for more content, poo. Love y'all.